you're probably thinking, why am I outside? Well, I thought it would be fun today to show you how I stretch my own canvases so that you at home can stretch your own. Look how pretty these sunflowers I picked for my garden. They're kind of dying, but they're pretty. Canvas. I don't know what one we're going to use. We're going to see. This is the board I'll be stretching today. Gesso. Staple gun. Gloves. I'm beyond excited to share with you guys my little secrets on how I stretch my own canvas after a year of doing this. I feel like I found my own little techniques that work for me, so I challenge you to make a canvas.
This is so
Should I go like this? Should we tilt it?
Hold on.
Like a 30 by 24. 30 by 24. If I'm yelling, I'm sorry. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need to stretch your canvas is a piece of wood. So get any piece of wood, it could be any size you want. And luckily for me, my Uncle Jeff cut me this piece into I believe this is a 30 by 24, 2 feet by 2.5 feet. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And then you're gonna need canvas. So I have two types. I don't know what one I'm gonna use. This one's for Frederick. Around the world since 1868. That's a strong number. I think I like this canvas the best because I was throwing it around. It's now indented. So this one, this is like more of a linen. This is like thinner. I don't know. I think I'm gonna use this one. Not this one. Can I iron that? I'm gonna try to iron it anyway. We're gonna try. You have your canvas fabric. You're gonna just put it over the canvas. Maybe do a little, like an inch and a half of fabric. That's all you need around it. You don't need that much because you're gonna be pulling it tight. Doesn't have to be straight, doesn't have to be perfect. This is all gonna get stretched back, so no one will even see this. Woo! Now that we have that cut, so now that we have, ooh, sorry, is that kind of rough? We're gonna iron it. You're gonna wanna iron it. So let me go get the iron, BRB. You want a flat surface, so make sure you do it on a flat surface. You guys don't have to listen to me. You guys can do your own thing. I will say this though, I am a genius. No, but really, I'm so creative. I'm so creative. Cut some of the axis off. Oh, just stepped on a staple. Okay. Blinded by the light. Okay. So now that you have your piece of canvas fabric cut to the board, your, oh my god, my makeup. Okay. So now that my iron is hopefully heated up. It's heating up. It's heating up. Okay, so now that, thank you, I'm sorry. I got this cup at Barnes & Noble's, 50% off, because you know I'm all about that sale. Be you, not them. You're made of the good stuff. Now that we have that done, the iron should be heated up. Or is that even a word, heated up? Should be hot. The iron should be hot. So does this look cute? My family makes fun of me because taking the remote and hiring the volume. I'm like, can you hire it? They're like, what? Does that make sense? Is that it? Can you hire the volume? Can you turn it up? Is that it? What do you call a remote? Always called a remote a box. I'm like, hire it, and where's the box? What are you talking about? And then how about this? I didn't know this was a Connecticut thing. I went to school and I was a Division I cheerleader at FAU. No one knows what a packy is. You know what a packy is? If you do, you're from Connecticut. And if you don't, if you subscribe, then maybe I'll tell you. Is that my phone? My mom. Oh god, what's this? My mom always sends me these. I'm like, okay, I'll do it. Like, maybe I will get glasses. Can you guys see me in glasses? Or heating up. It is hot. Hire it. Oh my god, I never turned it on. Didn't turn it on. If no one believes me. Now it's getting hot. You know what? We're just gonna do it. You wanna iron it now. Make sure this beauty is nice and ironed. You don't want to have any little Buddha boops or little beep boop. You don't want any little Juda boops, you know, little get it to go. So you gotta do and a boop, and a boop, and a boop. I'm not living for it. Doesn't matter because again we're gonna have to go over this and paint it with a gesso. So basically that's just gonna protect this fabric. Spray a little voodoo. What do you think this is? You think this is nylon, wool, silk, or polyester, or cotton? Okay, is that hotter? Yeah. Is that? I don't know. This is coming out great. And I almost just burned it. I didn't. Before I do anything, I feel like we might as well sage everything and just cleanse and make sure it's coming from a place of purity. I just want to bless the board because I'm only going into this with positive energy. So what I would do is I would just get like white sage and I would just burn it and count, or when it goes out, that's when it's ready. But white sage, I would definitely get white sage. Okay, it's out. Perfect. So we're just going to clear all the negative energy and all the stress that this board had to go through to even get here. Ooh, you're going to want to go around with it and make sure all negative energy is out of it. Whoever like hands were on it in the store, their energy. So just like cleansing it. I know this sounds outrageous, but like, yeah, that's strong. You feel that? You shouldn't. You shouldn't feel anything because everything's getting let go of. This doesn't even feel like a, I feel like I'm holding nothing. Ooh. I just kind of let it lay. Oh. I'll just lay the sage kind of like that, and I'm going to take the fabric back that I almost burned. Alright, that's perfect. Okay. So like, just a little. And take your hot iron, and now just make sure all the kinks and little boops are out. The little bit of boops. And I would just take your time. Like, you're in no rush. This is like therapeutic. It's a process. Trust it, guys. I live near a busy street, but I'm telling you to trust yourself and your intuition and your gut, and don't rush anything. I got you. Try to get all the air bubbles out. If I'm gonna do something, I do it right. That's fucked up. Hi B. Look at, I'm Snow White. Look at the B. Really take your time. No, but it feels great. This is really good. Okay, so let's flip this. Flip it over. Cool or cool? Look at the butterfly. So now that that's done, yeah. Woo! I start by stapling each middle first. So what you're gonna do is just like stretch the canvas over, try to go as tight as possible. Is the first half, and you don't have to be super tight. Staple gun, and just do it about maybe half an inch. Oh wow, that was not good. You know why? Because I didn't fucking sage this. Oh, I didn't fucking sage it. That's why I did. We need to sage this. Hold on. Zoom in on that. Show them that. This is what happens when you don't sage, see? I think that was a sign to be like, calm down, T. No. Cooperate. We're gonna have to bring this closer, I think. This is not good. Woo! That's a good one. That really got me nervous. I was like, I was like, turn off the camera. It doesn't have to be super tight, as I said, and you can do maybe like a half an inch. The fuck? Put your hands up. Maybe these are the wrong size. Maybe I need to go with the other ones inside. The selenite needs to be here too. I really couldn't tell ya. Woo! It was a selenite. Kind of like that. Boom. Down and to the right. Boom. Oh, I only put like 3 staples in there. Fuck. Look at these huge muscles. Oh, did you just see that? How the fuck? I'm legit sweating. Aha, maybe this one. I'm literally about to freak out. There we go. This, I know, because this is nice. Sweating. Okay, let's see. I'm literally traumatized. This is a mess. And not to mention, this took about an hour and a half to load, so... Now, when you guys get closer to the end, you want to leave probably maybe like an inch, inch and a half. Bomb. Inch and a half. Almost 4 o'clock again and we're not even at the paint yet. Here we go. That will work. Oh. So after I pinch it, after cutting that extra piece of fabric off, what I'll do is I'll try to indent, this is kind of confusing, but I'll try to indent this more layover. So let's see if I can even do it. So now I'm gonna, after you figure out how you're gonna crease it so it doesn't indent, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it to that point so that you can tuck it away and hide it. So essentially it's kind of gonna look like this corner when it's done. Hold these. And then I'm folding in to that point.
Oh, yes!
Cut off that extra fabric. I'm tucking all the wrinkles into the corner point, and then I'm going to be pulling down. Boom. So this is the final product. Now that we have the canvas stretched and the corners nice and tight, we need to gesso it. And basically what that's going to do is going to seal the fabric, and it's going to make sure that if I use any like types of oils or enamels or any type of paint, it's not going to seep through to the wood. Hopefully this is enough. You're disgusting. So I don't think this has a lot in it, but we're going to go with it. I think it's just going to be enough. And I think we're going to have enough. So now I would just like spread it with the paintbrush real quick before you get the roller in. Just to get the paint even, get it nice and even. And when you're gessoing, you can even add an undertone. So if you like any color, you can even add like a baby blue or a light pink, and it would just be like the undertone of the whole painting. So you can go all over that, but it's just like a hue, and it gives it different dimension. Now that that is primed and ready, we're gonna let that dry for a second, and then I'm just gonna brand it. So I think it would be a good idea while this is drying to cut down those for my mom really quick. And you guys can watch me in my garden. Let's do it. So let's go cut some Corn stalks. Oh yeah, I just picked this off my garden. A pepper! I grew this! Ah! Timber! Timber! Look it. Taking no prisoners. Another corn. Why didn't anyone laugh at the farmer's jokes? I don't get it. Cream corn. So amethyst is good for protection, also like removing blockages. So I feel like I put it near the corn because it's my first year ever growing corn. I grew carrots this year. Oh man, this seems pretty big. Oh, it's a fatty. Charlie loves carrots, so Char, I got a treat for you. Has the two hands, doesn't it? The hair. It looks like a person. I'm going to show you guys how I brand it really quick to show you guys that it is officially a TE canvas. This is just fire hazard. Oh, come at me, y'all. This is fucking hot. Just get a wet paper towel, and that's it. Just wipe that extra off. Ooh, she is strong. That is a TE right there. Boom. Boom. But come on, I'm going to show you really quick the mailbox because we did so much today. TE approved. Now you guys know how to make your own canvas. If you guys do it, tag me on Instagram, let me know because I would love to see you guys do it. Thank you for watching, and now you guys know how to build your own canvas, which I'm super stoked because I've been wanting to share that with the world. So there you go, now you got my secret, go out and do it yourself. Love is energy, energy is everything. Like, subscribe, comment, ring the bell. I'll see you guys next Tuesday.